How do you like your eggs, Will?
Kind of off of scrambled lately. I like a sunny side egg on top of toast. I like poached.
I like poached and soft-boiled.
I'm a little bit like the guy in Forrest Gump, Bubba. I like all kinds of shrimp. I like all kinds of eggs. Poached egg, scrambled egg.
It is
Kind of like over medium.
Over easy egg.
I like over medium.
Over medium?
Not too runny.
Really?
A lot of seasoning on it. Oh, little cheese in there.
So last week we discussed the best ways to enjoy eggs, the perfect food.
So here with tips and tricks for egg-cellent eggs, is celebrity chef George Duran. All right, chef, we are excited. How many different ways of eggs are we doing this morning?
Well, this morning, maybe like 5 or 6 of them, and you can go as simple as hard-boiled eggs or soft-boiled eggs, fried eggs, over easy. I mean, there's so much to cover over here.
Talk about this, because this
What
was
is
delicious.
this?
Yeah, this is a soft scrambled eggs French style, and all you're going to be doing is pretty much beating the eggs up, adding a little bit of heavy cream in there, and very gently whisking it and cooking it on low heat. Low heat, about 10 minutes in total, and you'll get creamy eggs like heaven.
Delicious.
I didn't
really
believe
good.
you that there wasn't cheese in this.
No cheese
It
whatsoever.
tastes
Just
like
a
cheese.
tiny bit of heavy cream, and that's kind of the secret to a lot of eggs. Add a little bit of water or eggs to your scrambled eggs, and they'll be nice and fluffy and beautiful. But there's another way to cook eggs, actually, that I really like, and it's in the oven, believe it or not. And the way I do it is I make pizza with eggs on it, sort of like a breakfast pizza. So I add a little bit of chorizo on top of this bread, and this is
yum.
a Tufayan bread, by the way. They are fantastic flatbreads. Feel how soft these guys are. They are based in New Jersey, a family-owned business. Harry Tufayan's my friend, and he knows that this is one of the best breads in the world. So what you're going to pretty much do is pretty much plop the egg right on top, add a little bit of cheese, just like a pizza,
That's
a little bit of
easy.
salsa, pop it into your brava, into your oven, and you cook it, and this is what you get. This beautiful kind of breakfast pizza with chorizo and flavors. That flatbread from Tufayan's is really going to make a difference when you have really hearth-baked bread like that. Isn't that fantastic?
It's delicious.
Grab that napkin, all right, and then when you move on is one of the most difficult ways to make eggs, which is poached eggs. Anyone's made poached eggs here before?
Difficult.
It's very tough, and I've been to 3 years of culinary school, and I still don't make poached eggs personally.
Really?
But I have a solution, and it's right here. It's called the Brava, and again, I got to tell you guys, this is a life changer. What you're pretty much doing is telling it that you want eggs Benedict, and you pop it in there, you say eggs Benedict, and the next thing you know is you add the ingredients like it tells you, the eggs with some water on top, Canadian bacon. You can use some English muffins or the petite pitas from Tufayan. Also, this is a one-button solution. The moment you pop it in there, you press the green button, the Brava tells you how to make it, and here it
You
is.
said it's like the iPhone of ovens.
That's exactly what it is.
And
Brava.
there's the eggs Benedict that come
There,
out.
Yep.
looks delicious.
You can find
Eggs.
them at brava.com, by the way, at $200 off with the code FOX, by the way.
This used
today.
to
you
be
go.
this used to be a
Excellent.
cheap breakfast, but it's a little more expensive these days.
Except
But
you're the
worth
man.
it.
Don't go anywhere.
It's
2
worth
hours
it.
still
It's
ahead.
worth
Worth
it.
it.